BeON installs like standard light bulbs. We wanted to design a system that was simple and affordable and works for your entire family. We've gone that extra mile in designing our bulbs to give you that warm glow that you expect from your lighting. When you enable the away mode, our bulbs simulate an occupied home. The BeON system immediately goes into action after installation. It starts learning your lighting behavior automatically and plays it back while you're away. If a would-be intruder rings the doorbell, our bulbs will make it look like someone's stirring throughout the house. The BeON system even works during a power outage, when most traditional security systems fail. It also provides general illumination throughout the outage. We've also added features to make your home more safe. When you turn the lights off with BeON, the light will slowly fade to allow you enough time to get across the room or up the stairs. With your pledge, you're backing an experienced team of engineers that have built both LED lighting and consumer electronics products.
I love the projects that you just start off, you don't really have any really clear direction, you're just kind of putting the pieces together still, and finally you step back and you realize that you have a really cool product. When I first started this project, I wanted to learn a little bit more about a new LED technology called remote phosphor. Typically, how white LEDs are made is they take a blue LED and they put a thin film of phosphor over the top, and when the blue light's emitted into the phosphor re-emits that light as a white light.
My product allows you to take your light shaded home and turn it into something really special. The light shade here to my right, well, it's just an ordinary light shade, probably like the one you have in your home right now. But this one has a LUMI on it. And this LUMI has been specially cut so I can demonstrate to you just how a LUMI works. LUMIs are made out of a very thin vinyl material that we print a graphic on. And we acquire those graphics from artists and photographers from around the globe. And then we go ahead and feature their work on our LUMIs. Once the vinyl's been printed on, we precision cut it to match the dimensions of your light shade. So when you receive your LUMI, it fits your light shade perfectly, allowing you to take your ordinary light shade and make it into an extraordinary light shade.
This is MOGICS light. It's a multi-function light with only one button. It is easily recharged by any USB source, say your computer. MOGICS light has 3 modes. Press once for normal light, twice for signal light, and press 3 times for a shimmering, breathing candle light. We designed it with the same size of a standard candle for the most ergonomic dimension. The magnet at the back allows MOGICS light to be attached on any magnetic surface. MOGICS light floats on water and is completely waterproof. If you want it to sink, just press the button and let the water in.
an updated version of the mid-century modern lamp. I've been a fan of these lamps for a long time. The combination of turned wood and stoneware makes for a stylish and modern lamp,